Let's turn our attention to the viewport. The viewport shows your composition's volumetric data in 3D and provides controls for some manipulations in 3D space. There are a few things to cover about how to move your objects and the viewport camera. In the viewport window's top left corner, you'll see a bar with 3 buttons framed in a light gray box. Starting at the left is the Hand tool. The middle button is the Translate tool, and the one to the right of that is the Rotate tool. We can select these tools by clicking on the icons or using their hotkeys. Q for the Hand tool, W for Translate, and E for Rotate. You can zoom in and out of the viewport by scrolling the mouse wheel. You can use the hotkey F to frame the current visible geometry. To get a better look at these tools, let's add another track to our composition. From the project menu, click and drag another copy of our clip into the composition window. It perfectly overlaps with our existing clip, so you won't be able to see it in the viewport yet. To arrange our 2 clips together, select the Translate tool using the button on the top toolbar or the W key. A transform gizmo will appear with the tool selected. To move our second clip, use the red arrow handle to move along its x-axis, the green arrow to move along its y-axis, and the blue arrow to move along its z-axis. Next, select the Rotation tool from the toolbar along the top or using the E hotkey. Using the Rotation tool, we can rotate our clip by using the circular handles around our mesh. We'll grab the green handle and change the direction our actor is looking. You can also use the inspector to move your object around the viewport. First, click on the track's name in the composition window. In this case, that's example_welcome.clip. Notice that when you click on the clip name, the inspector changes to show you the clip's position, rotation, and scale properties. When a clip is added to the composition, the position and rotation values should be 0, and the scale at 1. Because we've already transformed this object, you should see the values representing the transformations we applied. Try changing the values in the inspector back to 0 to reset our object's transformation. In order, they will affect the X, Y, and Z axis. Instead of selecting each box and manually setting the value back to 0, there is a reset button provided, following each of the row of transformations. Click the reset button to zero out all of the object's transformation values and return the composition to its origin. You can remove the second track from your composition by clicking the Remove button along the top line of the track aligned with your clip's name.